Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps to your Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you will have to get the app called Downloader to the Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So we go to the search bar on your Fire Stick by clicking this button with a magnifying glass icon and then click on search. Here you need to start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it and here's this orange app which you need to get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to set up downloader, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and in here you will have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see now, for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, let's open it, and here's the downloader. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Singapore right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, open it, and it's time to use the downloader now. So let's go to the downloader, and here in the search bar, we'll have to enter the code to download the apps to your Fire Stick. And now, the first code that we'll enter is going to be 8, 6, 1, 8614193. So once again, 8614193. That is the code you have to enter. And then just click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on a Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, we open it, wait a moment until it loads, and here at the bottom you'll find the first but not the last app which we got for you today. So now first of all I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And then we go back to the loader so we could get even more amazing spicy apps on your Firestick. So just get rid of that previous code as it is not needed anymore. And now the next code will be 275807. So 275807. That's the code you have to enter. And then just click on go. And now soon we'll start downloading the second app for your Firestick. And that's right, the download of the second app has also successfully started now. Just wait for a couple of seconds, then just click install, and the app shall be installed in a couple of moments. And like before, click done and delete the unnecessary files from your Firestick device. Then return back to a list of apps on Firestick. You have to open it, and here's the second app which we got. Let's also put it to the front, and now today you got 2 amazing applications for a Fire TV. Enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.